Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Tuesday, March 21st, 2017. Take a look at the collapse in the markets today. Finally, some reality in this market, a market that has gone up since the election nonstop, and really for the last 7 to 8 years, it has gone straight up. Today, down 1.25%. The first time it looks like we will close down over 1% in basically 250 trading days. That is amazing, folks. That is a record that I think is like 50 plus year old record in the market, something that is very, very unusual. Bottom line is this market is in sell mode. Why? Let's talk about it. Because basically you're in a scenario now where you have this vote on Thursday to see if the new health care bill can get through. And Trump has stated that if this doesn't go through, tax cuts don't happen, deregulation doesn't happen. None of the things the market has rallied 15% on since the election will get done. What does that mean? Well, it means this vote on Thursday is pretty damn important, right? I mean, really, it does, and you have to keep that in mind, right? I mean, this is big now because ultimately, if that doesn't get done, if that vote doesn't pass on Thursday, then everything the market rallied on is over in the short term. And again, that is a big deal, folks. That is a big deal for this market. So we will see how it all plays out, but it is fascinating. The key is the markets are selling now. If that vote goes the way of the Republicans, if a deal gets done on healthcare, guess what? The markets surge back up. If it doesn't, markets have 5-10% downside. All right, and that is just a plain and simple truth. And markets just made a new low of the day here in the afternoon. Now, you could see, in all fairness, you could see this was coming. I want to go to the daily chart of the spiders. Take a look at the SPY, and I noted this to our members yesterday in the daily analysis video, which is part of the research center. By the way, there's a 7-day free trial for that. But look at how yesterday you closed below the 20 moving average. It was almost like a signal right here that we were going to have a major move down. And then look at the sell-off on this chart. I mean, this is just an epic sell-off to the downside. Your short-term target, which I think we hit tomorrow, is the 50 moving average right here, which is around 230, 245. I do think we bounce off of that. So let me just give you my view. My view basically, and by the way, I'm just looking at Bank of America. What a trouncing on BAC. Holy moly, what a drop on BAC. But the bottom line is, guys, you have a scenario here where I do think a deal will eventually get done. Maybe not on Thursday, but maybe next week. And I think at that point the markets have a big bounce, but I don't believe we take out the all-time highs. I think the market has put in a high pivot now, and this is going to be a bounce play, but then a shortable opportunity. So again, understand that. By the way, we had the bank stocks, as I just mentioned, collapsing. Take a look at the XLF. XLF obviously taking a big hit here, and look at that drop on the XLF, down 3% today. But the key is these stocks, obviously Goldman Sachs, I mean, Goldman's a great example of this. They had been breaking down for the last week or two. The one thing that was holding up the markets was the SMH, the semiconductors. Take a look at the semis today, down over 2%. What a drop here on the semis, folks. Absolute annihilation. And again, that is very important because those were the two factors holding up the market, financials and semis. And when one goes, okay, the market was able to kind of go sideways. When both of them go, this market's a done deal, and it's going down. So again, notice that, folks. I think that's very important to understand, and we'll take it one step at a time. All right? I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Profits are swelling in the research center. We had a lot of shorts going into today. They are paying us handsomely. Come join us. Make money with us. Join us. Take the 7-day free trial. Take care.